lights are on, engine breathing slow. Got in the cockpit, ready to go. At the airport of life, waiting for a sign. Crosswinds blowing hard, trying to mess my mind. From the control tower, I hear his voice so clear. Trust in me,